Exotic flavors. Red rice with coconut sambolé and drumstick curry. Welcome to our multi-recipe and cookery channel to Exotic Flavors, where we explore delightful dishes from around the world. In this episode, we'll take you on a culinary journey to Sri Lanka to learn how to make a delicious and traditional meal, red rice with coconut sambolé and drumstick curry. These authentic Sri Lankan dishes are bursting with flavors and textures that will surely tantalize your taste buds. So let's get started. Ingredients for red rice. 2 cups of red rice. 4 cups of water. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Ingredients for coconut sambolé. 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. 1 small red onion, finely chopped. 2-3 green chilies, finely chopped, adjust to your spice preference. 1 clove of garlic, minced. 1 small lime or lemon, juice. 1 tablespoon of Maldive fish flakes, optional, for traditional flavor. Salt to taste. Ingredients for drumstick curry. 10-12 drumsticks, washed and cut into 2-inch pieces. 1 cup of thick coconut milk. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2-3 green chilies, slit lengthwise, adjust to your spice preference. 1 sprig of curry leaves. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, adjust to your spice preference. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Salt to taste. Preparation. Red rice. Rinse the red rice thoroughly under cold water. In a pot, add the rinsed rice, water, salt, and coconut oil. Bring it to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot with a lid, and let it simmer for about 20-25 minutes or until the rice is cooked and water is absorbed. Fluff the rice with a fork before serving. Coconut sambolé. In a mixing bowl, combine the freshly grated coconut, chopped red onion, green chilies, minced garlic, and Maldive fish flakes, if using. Add salt to taste and squeeze the lime or lemon juice over the mixture. Mix everything well until the ingredients are evenly combined. Your coconut sambolé is ready to serve. Drumstick curry. In a large pan or pot, heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Add chopped onions, grated ginger, minced garlic, slit green chilies, and curry leaves. Sauté until the onions become translucent. Now, add the drumstick pieces to the pan and stir well. Sprinkle turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Mix everything together. Pour in the thick coconut milk and bring it to a gentle simmer. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 15-20 minutes or until the drumsticks become tender and the flavors meld together. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. On a plate, place a generous scoop of red rice alongside a portion of the creamy drumstick curry. Add a spoonful or 2 of coconut sambolé on the side. The combination of the nutty red rice, spicy sweet drumstick curry, and the refreshing coconut sambolé will create an explosion of flavors in your mouth. Enjoy your delightful Sri Lankan meal of red rice with coconut sambolé and drumstick curry. Bon appétit! Subscribe now to our multi-recipe and cookery channel and unlock a world of culinary delights. Join our vibrant community of food enthusiasts as we share mouthwatering recipes, cooking tips, and exotic flavors from around the globe. From delectable desserts to savory sensations, we've got something for every palate. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your cooking skills and savor the joy of creating delectable dishes. Hit that subscribe button and embark on a flavorful journey with us.